Hello again, Izzy Digital Goja Showrooms. Today we're going to take a look at the Canon EF 70-300 f4.56 IS USM lens for Canon full frame cameras. If this video helps you out, remember to hit me up with a like button underneath and subscribe to our channel for future unboxings and tutorials and sessions such as this. And when in Miami, visit Digital Goja Showrooms. Now, of course, this is an EF lens. So that means that if you use it on your full frame cameras, like your 5Ds, 5D Mark IIIs, 5DSs, your 6Ds, all your full frame EOS cameras, you will have the 70-300 perspective. But remember, you can still put it onto a crop sensor camera like a 7D Mark II, and now you have that 1.6 magnification ratio, so you actually have a lot more of a telephoto on there. It is an f4/5.6. That means that at 70 millimeters, it's an f4, and when you start zooming past 200 and up to 300 millimeter, it will switch over to an f5.6. It is, of course, ultra low dispersion elements, so it's going to give you a fantastic working situation. It is going to give you a fantastic image. It has two-mode optical image stabilization, which compensates for camera shake. And in mode 2, you set it so that if you're doing any kind of panning, it still gives you the image stabilization, but you have the capability of panning your lens from left to right. Of course, it has your autofocus and manual focus button, but it is not a full-time manual focus feature. So for us videographers, you have to remember to switch it over to manual focus to disengage the focusing gears. It does allow close focus due to the macro capability of up to 4.9 feet, and they even give you a locking mechanism. So if, face it, a lot of us walk around with the camera with the lens hanging on the side. This way you don't get any lens creep. You disengage it and then you can do your zooming. It works with a very popular 58 millimeter diameter filter thread size. So that means you can use a lot of existing filters that you own, since that's a very popular filter thread size for Canon. And again, very well put together. It has circular aperture diaphragm, so that means that you can have natural looking autofocus highlights. Has super spectral lens coating to compensate for any kind of flare or excess aberrations. And of course, it does have the ultrasonic autofocus motor, which gives you nice silent and quick focusing, and your metal connector to give you nice stable focus and exposure. It is a Canon USA product, so it does come with the standard Canon 1-year manufacturer's warranty. But again, this is only good in the US and if it's purchased from an authorized dealer like digitalgoja.com. And you get your instructional EF lens CD and pamphlet in the back. So if you're in the market for a nice all-around short telephoto zoom, take a closer look at the Canon EF 70-300 f4.56 IS USM lens. Happy shooting!